Assalamu'alaikum warohmatullahi wabarokatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ruzi Maisaroh. I study at the University Maritim Raja Ali Haji Tanjung Pinang. I'm in 20B grade. My major is Biologi education. In this video, I will give an explanation about mangrove to fulfill the assignment of the English course for Biology by the lecturer Mr. Bonny Irawan S.Pd, M.Pd. Happy watching! Hello everyone, I will provide an explanation about mangrove including 1. Definition mangrove. What is our mangrove? The term mangrove is used to define both the plants that occur in tidal forests and to describe the community itself. Mangrove can be broadly defined as woody vegetation types anchoring marine and brackish and very monument. Mangroves are generally restricted to the tidal zone, which is the strip of coast starting from the low water level up to the heights have high water level or spiding pit. Mangroves occur only in the tropic and subtropic, and their coast equivalent in temperate zone are herbaceous salt marshes. In this publication, the term mangrove is used in its broad sense, also including the nipa formation and the margin of mangrove. 2. Mangrove species. Southeast Asia mangroves are the best developed and most species diverse in the world. A total of 268 plant species have been recorded in Southeast Asia. Mangrove vegetation, including 129 trees and shrubs, 50 trees herbs or including 27 grass and grass-like plants, 28 climber, 28 apple trees, 24 ferns, 7 palm, 1 pandan and 1 cake. Of these 260 species, 52 are found in the mangrove habitat only, and this group of chocolates to mangrove species includes 42 trees and shrubs. There are several types of mangrove including 1. True mangrove. True mangrove are a group of plants that can only live in an environment that is still influenced by the edge and reef asteroid, whose basic substrate is the cement or alluvial. True mangroves usually have special adaptation that can subtract their life in the mangrove environment. This adaptation can be in the form of morphological adaptations such as modification of roots and leaves, as well as physiological adaptation. 2. Follow-up mangrove. Follow-up mangrove are a group of plants associated with true mangrove. Follow-up mangrove do not have a special form of adaptation because they are not typical plants of the mangrove ecosystem but have a high tolerance for living in the environment condition of the mangrove ecosystem. Let us look at some types of mangrove including true mangrove and follow-up mangrove are as follows. Okay friend, the next discussion is 3. The condition of mangrove in Indonesia. In Indonesia, mangrove can grow on peat soils such as in South Sulawesi, Indonesia, Northern Bombay, and the layering lumu plants. In the layering lumu are, for example, extremely well-developed Rhizophora bulgaria mangrove were found on deep plants, less than 3 meters deep. Neckline with a salt 0.5 meter layer of sand. Mangrove salts with a high content of organic matter, 62%, have also been reported from the Thousand Island Group of Jakarta by Indonesia. In Indonesia, almost 3,000 hectares of damaged mangrove have been rehabilitated in Cilacap on the south coast of Java over the last few years. Similarly, more than 10,000 hectares of former mangrove have been replanted and restored on the north coast of West Java. The latter were part of an attempt at reducing flood damage in Jakarta, while at the same time taking local socio-economic conditions into account. Persons living in the vicinity of the replanted area are little chance of to fish in the broad channel surrounding the rehabilitated mangrove for their livelihood. Several mangrove replanting projects have been carried out in Kupang Bay, West Timor. Rhizopora and Africana saplings were used in the north coast of West Java Rehabilitation Program, whereas Rhizopora and Bruguiera species were used in the Cilacap mangrove area. The survival rates of replanting was reported with between 60 to 75%. In addition, based on the latest data from the government, as many as 1.1 million hectares of mangrove forest in Indonesia area in a badly damaged or critical condition. The area is around 33% of the total mangrove area of 3.5 million hectares. Most of the damage caused by damage to human activities. Well friends, mangrove also have benefits. The benefits of mangrove include 1. Prevent seawater infiltration into the ground, seawater intrusion. 2. Prevent beach erosion and attrition. 3. As a natural deterrent and filter. 4. As a place for precious living things and a source of food. 5. Play a role in the formation of islands and coastal stabilization. 6. Soil division and nutrients enhancers. 7. Has a source and grain plants. And 8. As a means of education and research. Therefore, friends, let us protect our mangroves so that they are maintained, sustained, and beautiful. Don't destroy mangrove because mangroves are plants that Allah created in nature that we must protect and care for so that mangrove continue to grow and develop. So many video explanation about mangrove for me. Hopefully this video useful and thank you. Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.